Hello and welcome to Weetzer's Woodshop. My name's Ted. We're going to make some things. I'm back to carving Sasquatch, and all I'm going to say is, let's finish a Sasquatch today. Voila. Let's put a little detail in this. Much better. All right, so here's the dilemma. We got to do the feet. So I'm not sure. I'm kind of limited. I'm gonna have to trim this and give this some contour and some shape here, whatever. And then I'll bring this down. But I'm only, Bigfoot's supposed to have big feet, but I'm gonna only have to go right here. But the problem is, or right here, so this could be his big toe, and then this would be the side, and then I'm not gonna be able to do much detail just because of where it's at. I can't reach with the chainsaw that well. So I got kind of an idea. I'm just gonna flare this out and then bring this down to the foot, and then we'll just do toes and some toenails, and then we'll just give him, a hairy foot. So all right, let's see what I can do. So we got some feet. So I kind of drew where the nails, the shadows in the way, where the nails are going to be. So now I'm just going to use a hand sander and see if we can make some toes. right, let's try these toes. One more thing to do. I'm going to sign this bad boy. This may take a while.
2 hours later.
All right, I think we're almost ready. A couple more seconds here. There it is. Outstanding. All right. I am done carving. Can you believe it? Oh, I am done carving. Family's out. Beautiful day. I am exhausted. I'm ready to, full of dust. Got the hand on, didn't glue it yet, so a couple little things. Got to glue the hand still and then polyurethane it, but we got to let it sit for a couple of weeks in the hot sun just to dry. It's still leaking. I did the feet today and it's still leaking water, so I'll do a quick walk around and I'll clean up and we'll get on out of here. All right, so I'll get out of the shadow here. There's the throne. All right, the first throne. We got the steps. And then there's the hand, so burned it in today. And then the feet came out pretty cool actually, although Bigfoot's got small feet. So it's all we had to work with. Had to do some texture up here. We're gonna let that dry and it's gonna get tan like that stuff right there. The eagle's done. You can see it got a little bit of a crack in it. I'll probably have to do a couple of screws, keep that together. So let's go this way. And then we will see the other throne. There's the hand holding on to it. And then I made the steps so we can get up in there. Oh, I'm breathing hard still. So, and then look at that. Bam. Handcrafted. That's pretty cool. So, it's officially done with carving. So, and then the other foot didn't come out as good as the other one, but they're still wet, so they won't burn. And then that stuff will probably have to be either burnt or just dried. And then there's the Eagle 6. So, all right, can't believe it's finally done carving. So So a couple more weeks and we just gotta coat it. And then I'm gonna bring my tractor in and we're gonna get rid of all the debris and the big stumps. And we can call this project almost done. So, all right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Or not, it might not be your thing. So appreciate everybody that does though.